yeah.
Okay. Thank God for these.
Put my kickstand down.
Got it.
Thank you. Is it down?
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh shit. What happened? Hit the dirt?
It looks like you lost the back. I was behind you.
Now that standing here, you realize how steep it is.
I don't know. It's just tunas are bad respect tunas.
How you feeling, dude? How bad is that, right?
No, it's numb still.
Okay.
Anything leaking from the bike that makes it unrideable?
No. Seems alright for now. No, you're good. It was just the coolant from the overflow.
Actually, very minimal damage.
You got a bunch of blood on your back now. Alright. That's it.
Are we just putting it right here in gear?
Straight. Wait, not yet.
Let me put it in gear, or you got the front brake?
I got front brake.
Alright, let's go.
Just turn it.
Hold the front brake.
Put it in first.
Now put it in first. Yeah. Now put it in.
My bike kept rolling down.
Alright, that's it. Now put the
Make sure it's in
down.
first. Yeah, make sure it's in first. Yep.
You gonna roll?
No, it's good.
Mine kept on flipping.
Dude, that fared very well.
Yeah?
Very well.
It's just a mirror, some lights.
A
What
mirror, a tiny bit of body work. It got your light a little bit.
else? Is this somebody's?
Oh no, that's not Joey's. I don't think it's blood on it.
I mean, you can use it to wipe off the bike if you want at least. Use it as a napkin and throw it away.
Or wash it. Just wash it when you get home.
It's okay. I mean,
You can be able to coast down to the bottom.
Oh, I'm fine. Yeah, I'll be able to go.
Alright, we should probably get off this fucking hillside, man.
I mean, I'll ride with you home, dude. Like, you know what I mean? Make sure you're okay.
Oh no, it's alright. As long once I get to PCH, I'll be alright.
All right. Well, at least text us when you come
Yeah,
home.
let someone
You
know
know.
that you got home.
I just
So you know you're home safe.
ooh, fuck yeah, that's gonna be a painful one. I knew when I had to pull over, I should have. That was my warning.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.